Hi students, welcome to my channel Physics Universal Classes. So our today topic is problems discussed. These problems is based on the uniform acceleration problems. It's very important in NEET and JEE mains level. Okay, first problem discussed students. The coordinates of a moving particle at any time t are given by x is equal to x is equal to alpha t cube and y is equal to beta t cube. The speed of the particle at time t is given by. Okay, in these two coordinate systems is there x and y, alpha t cube and beta t cube. Okay, x is equal to alpha t cube, y is equal to beta t cube. Okay, the speed of the particle, that is the magnitude of velocity is nothing but speed. The magnitude of velocity is nothing but speed is equal to speed. Okay, in this one the x coordinate Vx is equal to dx by dt, that is equal to 3 alpha t square. Next y coordinate Vy is equal to dy by dt. So dy by dt means the differentiation of with respect to time taken, dy by dt to y component. It is written as 3 beta t square. Okay, in this one the magnitude of velocity v bar, mod of v bar is equal to the square root of vx square plus vy square. It's very important problem and very easy problem students. That is equal to square root of vx square plus vy square, that is equal to 3 alpha t square whole square plus 3 beta t square whole square. Okay, multiplication. So 9 alpha square t power 4 plus 9 beta square t power 4, that is equal to, in this one, in this 2, 9 t power 4 is common, 9 into t power 4 is common, alpha square plus beta square. So 9 into t power 4 is a root value. In this value 9 t power 4 is outgoing, that value 3 t square, the square root of alpha square plus beta square. This is the problem. Okay, next to second problem. This second problem, a ball is released from top of a tower of height h meters. It takes t seconds to reach the ground. What is the position of the ball at t by third second? T third second. Okay, it is a very important problem. JEE mains and NEET level students. Okay, in this problem a ball is freely falling. Freely falling. In this freely falling case, the initial velocity is 0, that is u is equal to 0. The height of the tower h, under the ball, that particle or that particle to reach the ground surface, the time taken is t. Okay, first from the top of a tower. Okay, this is a ball is released from the top of a tower. In this total height of the tower is h. The total time taken t is equal to t seconds. In this one, the body is released from the certain height. It's a freely falling case. The initial velocity will be 0. U is equal to 0. S is equal to H. And T is equal to T. Okay, U value is there. S value, S is equal to H, height of the tower, and T is equal to capital letter T seconds to reach the ground surface, that ball. Okay, this three values is there by using a second equation, kinematic second equation. S is equal to ut plus half at square. S is equal to ut plus half at square. S is equal to H. U value 0, 0 into something 0 plus half into, in this case a freely falling case, one more value student, A is equal to plus G. And acceleration, while the direction of motion always vertically downwards, then acceleration is equal to plus G. G into small t is equal to capital letter T, T square. H is equal to half G T square. Okay, now the position of the ball at t is equal to t by third second. So now t is equal to t by third seconds. The vertical distance is moving by the same formula. H is equal to ut plus half at square. Here H is equal to H dash. H dash is equal to the U value 0, 0 into something 0, half into A value G into t by third second, t by 3 whole square. Then H is equal to half into G t square by 9. Okay, H dash is equal to 1 by 9 into 1 by 2 G t square. Okay, 1 by 2, that is a half G t square is equal to H. H dash is equal to H by 9. Okay, the position from the ground, therefore H minus H dash, that is equal to H minus H by 9, that is equal to cross multiplication 9 into H, 9H minus H, 8H by 9. This is the answer. It's very important problem. Hope you like this video, students. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.